Okay. Yeah, there we go. We're back. We're business. Okay. What happened originally was that it exploded. Well, actually, the OBS basically died because I failed to account for the fact that the the running a local LLM to do coding eats the entire goddamn GPU. So I'm gonna check again if it explodes. I'm hoping it was a one-time thing. Also, I got it to do. I want fit read 3. I got it to actually kind of work. I added some stuff. It didn't have the context length. Now it does have the context length. Now that it has the context length, also I need to change some stuff because apparently because for some reason I was trying to rewrite the entire code. And it's just, what are you doing, buddy? Why are you just trying to rewrite everything? Why are you trying to write every piece of code again? But it did give me kind of an insight, which is that unless your system prompt specifically in some way limits the output of the LLM, it'll just it'll just spend the entire token limit it has. Also, I would absolutely love to know what the hell. Oh, fuck's sake, shut up. Anyways, I would like to know what the hell these 54 files are. Why is Pylance interested in them? What the fuck is Pylance? Who is Pylance? When is Pylance? Okay, Pylance. Why? Why? Even if files to analyze, wait, is it worth the memory? Really? Really? Oh. Okay. Let's turn it off. I don't need Pylance shit in the bed here. What the hell are you talking about? Oh, what did you do? What? Yum. Yum. Well, it's infinitely looking at them. Jedi enable true. Jedi enable. Okay, well now we lose intelligence. Great. We lose intelligence. Okay, we lose everything. Apparently, I have a plan. Which is just reset. Let's just keep restarting VS Code. I gotta figure out a plan for that. The future. Anyways, I want to see if it explodes, and the easiest change we can make is. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. These lines? Yeah. Okay, let's see if OBS explodes. Oh, there's a cancel. There's my cancel. Oh, never mind. Even if you cancel it, it really doesn't, huh? Okay, no matter. I'm gonna find these lines. Okay. Change these lines they use config the get. Yeah, I wonder what this is gonna do. Okay, I guess. Ooh, okay. Clearly, I'm learning very fast. The local Qwen model running is it's really nowhere near the top of the line stuff. Even for simple tasks like this, does it want to do different stuff? Or maybe there's a prompting issue? Or something else? Okay. Do we have a plan for this? Is my question. Huh? Oh, now it's looking at 79 files. Oh, why? Because the gods decided so, apparently. Anyway, always, this is fun. Config audio detail. Oh my god, you could have. There's a. Ooh. The otherwise it uses Flutter 2. Cool. Yeah, apparently it's even worse than I was thinking. Okay, cool. Cool. Great. Shit. What's the... But I wonder if this works there. 80 files. Now it has 80 files to look at. Will you fucking shut the hell up? Holy crap. Oh well, that thing's gone. Oh, look at me. This seems fine. Also, what is fucking wrong with this guy? He has a green line here. Why? Go away. Okay. Holy crap. This is absolute. This is terrible. This is terrible. I regret life. We can just use the GitHub Copilot. But I don't have it, that's right. What about it? Why do we not have GitHub Copilot? Copilot? Didn't the doesn't make any sense. Does anybody have a Python version? No, this all thing is, but is you a Copilot? Wow. Wait, what? AI assistant. Okay, how does this work? Okay. It's basically continue, but this guy's version. Alright. But it doesn't seem to have actual benefit of us. Any kind of benefit? Just than Microsoft had. Microsoft gave free access to a Copilot stuff. That's crazy. I guess it's only the IDE, the actual IDE, the community version that gives that. Right? I think because we're gonna have to go very insane with this, where we'll have to do some of our stuff over at Try, then other stuff at IDE, the Visual Studio community, then the rest of the stuff we can do at Cursor. I mean, we can use Cursor up to an extent. You know, we have 50 requests, which is not that much. But hey, we have 50 per month. So, you know, think about that. This is terrible. Jesus. Fucking Christ. Okay, this can only go well. Think about sound. So, something's happening. Yeah. Uh oh. Stop. Okay. Yeah, I'm learning that shit doesn't work like that. Ooh, that's tough. Yeah, I guess it was asking too much to run the Qwen model, not 40 billion parameter model, and run the entire other thing, the rest of my stuff. So I guess, yeah, that's not a good thing, huh? At least OBS didn't die this time, so positives. Yes. Okay. Okay. Hey, I guess John's back. And you didn't even find my thingy. Jesus, mate. What in the world? Okay, get over here. Energy threshold DPFS. Okay. Oh, for fuck's sake, it's again in the wrong util. Am I config just... Wait, not you, Hugh. Yep, I think the config path is a bit... wrong. What's about denim file? Does anybody speak on that? Everything can and will go wrong when it needs to. Yep, let's see. Using default config path. Yeah, okay. You have something, I guess. Do you have the other guy? Ah, you expect there to be a config path in the utils? A JSON in the utils? I'm gonna give it to you. It's because I'm too lazy to care. I don't know what these other guys do. But loading many issues, many growing pains here, apparently. Oh, by the way, I learned there's apparently Xllama v3 in the works. Okay, I don't think everything's working. Yeah, are you good? Oh, hey, Bob. I'm good. Ish. Good-ish. Stuff. I just try AI change their business model. I'm screwed. They didn't even allow me to buy their service yet. How rude. So now I tried Qwen. I'm trying. Well, kind of trying. Qwen. It's a 40 billion model for doing code assist. It kind of works. It's so great. But hey, it's better than nothing. I have different plans for it. I'm gonna feed the fishes with bread soon? Interesting. Wait, fish eat bread? I thought that was ducks. Don't sit for too long, there's gonna be shrimp. I'll heed your warning. Right now I'm actually standing, so... that's something. We have so many explosions. Oh. Wait, what? But yes, but wait. Okay. How did I break the others? Where's source? Oh, there it is. Apparently. It's just happy about something that I did. Three big fishes on the pond. Oh, that's sadly. Big fishy. Alright, take care out there. You too. You too. What if? Why did it finally break? Why did it... It's spamming us with the... what is spelling. Info will only generate a response. Okay, that has to be. Will you be here? Wait. Oh wait. Oh my goodness. Who's generated dialogue service at here? Okay. Line 100-ish. Yes. Oh. Yes. Yes. What's my other code? I'll go find my old code. Up to date? Okay, well, it's up to date with that guy. Sure. Source? Yeah, source. You could clone this. Oh wow. Oh shit. No, it isn't true. I don't think this is part of it though, would it? Why would it be? I don't see how this would affect it. It can be part of it. I can't remember. Wait, what's that? Where was that? Where is this piece of code? Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Does that get called anyways? Nope. It Wait. When do you guys stop? No? Wait, when is it? You're somewhere there. That means there. There's your else. How's the cans up to the exception? Yeah. Everybody go one line in, I guess. I see. So if they all go one line in, does that fix anything? I don't think it will. I'm pretty sure we have bigger fish. Generate a response. What the fuck? How did we even get here? That's my question. Okay, we'll have to, I guess, surgically refigure this out. Let's copy that raw. Okay. That will send us back to the Stone Ages. But I'm not here to complain. Huge. Alright, okay. What the fuck you mean? It's... Oh. Right. Oh, What's your problem? I have to import the name. You don't need to import that guy. Okay. I mean... Ah, that's what you're doing. Ah, Which line is actually even... Ah, right, it's it doesn't matter, because I'm pretty sure nobody uses... Oh, somebody uses Alamitos. Wait, what? Ah yeah, condenser terminator, right? You're being used, yeah? Okay. Have some reason. Oh, wait. Maybe it's the message, I guess. I would read that, I guess. Okay, but if it gets the message, okay. It seems reasonable. Complainer. Blah. 100, okay. I don't... Did anybody say anything about this? The piece? Okay, well, that's something. Alpha be the piece, okay. Wait, what? Hey, whoa. Okay, wait, there's more than one issue I'm seeing here. Why? What's the model? To async? Oh, we're getting the dynamic generator as well. Well, whatever. No, first of all, for some reason, brother over here thinks my shit ain't good enough for it. Why does he think that? Why is there no instructions? Wait, who then prints the final message? You don't... Final messages. Okay, well that's the way to say it. History, system content, instructions. Yeah. Instructions to yourself that instructions which are real or should be. I'm thoroughly confused. You're supposed to have your instructions, but you don't, which is very interesting to say the least. So what is the... I guess it's the main orchestrator issue. Load character and LLM. Character info? What the crap is that? No wonder nothing works. Or never worked. Holy crap. Character JSON. I'm pretty sure this is John. That's instructions. What? What did the... Oh, did you close the main orchestra? Oh my god, you do not even... Oh, why don't you just open it and... Holy crap. What makes you think I don't want to open it? I want to open it separately. Why would you ever think that I didn't want to open them separately? Holy. So let's go to almost like this. What is going on? Anyways, where's the load character? Okay, there. What the heck? It wouldn't be that. It would be... What the heck? What? Have the config get... Oh my god. Wait. No, that's a config difference. Okay. That's getting infinitely more ridiculous. Why do we have two configs open? I am not happy about whatever this is doing. Okay. Yeah, because it's common and the config of this. What's the character info JSON? It would be here. Okay. Well, that's the path for it. Character info JSON should be an LLM wizard characters, character JSON. Okay. You should find that. Did you not find that? Yeah. Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about that because I'm pretty sure that's the problem. That's a different problem. Pa, 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 pa. Okay. Oh, then Oh no! Why? Why is the instructions not fed to anybody? Oh no! Oh, please! Don't you have? Wait, load model. I'm pretty sure load model has or should have an instructions. Oh, I just have instructions. What the fuck is it? We just don't pass it because we have brain damage. Okay. Instructions. Yeah, I don't know why we don't pass it. Great job. Whoever wrote this code, it was Gemini. I know the instructions. I don't. Oh man, I really hate this. Why are you real? Instructions. Oh boy. Okay, we learn one problem at a time. Okay. What else do we have to fix? Because we have so many things to fix. Some of the things are not a problem, or they are, but I'm not particular about caring about them. Receive none. Yeah, you weren't supposed to receive anything. Okay, right. Final messages. Okay. Generated response. That was somewhere in here. Wasn't it? Where is it? Generating shade. Oh. Wait, it's double pasting. It's man, it's sending to the queue. Oh, good. Oh, it's not even. Yeah. Oh, I get it. This is a problem. Wait, wait, what? Wait, no, what? No, this is opposite. This is here. This is here. This makes some sense. Yes, hello. What's good? I'm good. Something is working. I am testing out local LLM coding. One day it'll work. What about you? How many exams left now? Okay, everything's now outside of that guy. This is supposed to be on the equal level as this. Okay. Hold them all. Okay, this. For finally my exam's over. Oh hell yeah. That's good, that's good. That's really good. Just yesterday was my last exam. Ah, that's good. Where's this thing doing? That's good, that's good. Now just wait for the results. That's gonna be fun. Pew pew pew. Oh, there's on. You are free? Yes, you are free. You are indeed very free. Very free. Until you get the exam results back. Having 1 to 2 month headache? Yeah, that was a long headache for you. A lot of grinding. Over a month's worth of grinding. Let's see. John, are you alive? Oh shit, John's alive. John's alive. Wait, is he? No way he is.
FOOLISHHUMAN.
Okay,
LOKATRE.
I hear nothing. What should I design so there's a mine? Or am I just stupid?
Palette, yeah, echoes nothing.
Oh, I forgot if I need to have that. Oh, I need to set that up. Can I? Do I have the voice meter?
LAO, you simply.
I'm gonna mute John. I still feel like I'm gonna have exam. You might.
More than a stormy Atlantic.
John's alive.
Yes, but your shadow in words.
I have exam. I mean, you're probably holy crap.
Unfettered.
You'll probably have some PTSD for a while. Exam PTSD. How fun. Okay, and John works for once. He came back from getting milk. What did I do? I have no idea. I fixed something. What's the status? Oh yeah. Maybe it's stupid, but I'm gonna just do this. I don't have any exam left, but we're just keep thinking about it. Tell me to go studying because I have exams. Exam. Well, your brain will adjust eventually. Oh, okay, this is a good idea. Which is crazy. It was a crazy time for you. It'll be crazy for a while, maybe. Maybe a good while. Nice. Moved. Okay, but also moved. Okay. They're gonna make some code project. I have some good ideas. Ooh, interesting. Make those projects. I mean, since you have the time, that's a good stuff to do. It's a good use of time. And this. What's this? X. Maybe I can push with it. I have 3 months summer holidays. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. That's nice, and that's a lot of time. That's plenty of time to make some nice code some nice projects. You get summer holidays as well. Oh yeah, our summer holidays were. Wait, when were they? Forgot. I think they were. They usually started on the 4th or 5th month. So is that May? Yeah, either April or May, and they lasted until like September. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 to 5 months, I guess. 3, 5, 4, 5 months. But I'm done with school, with university for now. Until I get to go for master's degree. Once I get to go there, then I'll have holidays again. Until then, unemployment, baby. Or, well, freelance work, I guess. On the side, maybe. We'll see. I could do it, but I can do it. I will. I'm thinking of learning some other skills as well. Oh, what kind? Well, then web dev. Ah, yeah. Other coding skills, yeah. Other web dev, yeah. Those are good. Web dev is the default skill to learn, but there's plenty of other stuff to do as well. Oh, wave isn't even used. Here's IO. Huh. Alright, many things work now. That's good. That works. Not gonna touch that. Yeah. And Like AI agentic projects is a hot topic right now. I see a lot of projects like AI doing tasks for you. Those projects, yeah. Those are useful when they work. Which they sometimes do. The only problem is that everything costs money. Limited APIs. The API access and also they're super limited. And unfortunately, locally running isn't exactly super great. Unless you have the hardware, which is expensive. Very expensive. My stuff barely works. Yeah, what else do I have here? I kinda... Okay, I have an idea. I'll try a bit more on... I'll try this Qwen for a bit longer. Before it explodes. Inevitably. Alright. There's... man, we don't have to... I don't think we have the context line to just play with. Okay. I guess it'll be a big test. Service. Let's do... the determination. Oh, it's only called. Regard. We don't know. It's printed out, but the actual termination happens only after... No, this longer detects speech. Obvious. Finishes thing speech. Yeah. Well, let's see. Let's see if this works at all. As I wonder, he made his own 11 Labs clone, even better, really good stuff. 11 Labs, right? Those guys. Yeah, those guys, they have their stuff, but it's costs money and other stuff, weird stuff. I don't use them. I don't like them. Also, they have limitations on what they can do. Also, latency. It's not very fun. Is he observing? Oh no, where have you gone? We went somewhere. Okay. It's in a steeper ratio of the speech text. I'm gonna learn Python as well. Well, luckily Python is easy to learn. To build the stuff like you? Yeah, cool, neat. It is an incredibly useful language, mainly because it has all the libraries built for it. I was wondering what the crap this is about. It shouldn't be reading that. and it did not even read that well. It's very easy, it's just almost plain English, pretty much. It only has some quirks. In the advanced, if you go advanced enough, it does have its own stuff. But for the most part, yeah, it's just English. At least you don't really, for the most part, have to worry about your own memory management. Which is nice. And at least the most important libraries run on either C or C++. The word listens for speech. Okay, where's the complications? Oh, right, okay. Yep. No, this is wrong. Okay, I'm pretty sure Qwen is tripping balls. Am I stupid? Well, the termination set is mission of the TTS7. How much? Maybe that's one. Alright, bro. I gotta go take some rest and then I will get back to building some good stuff. Yeah, rest well. Rest well. Have a good rest. I find building stuff really fun. Yeah, me too. Me too. Enjoy it. Even if it doesn't always go as planned. That's the reason why I can program for so many hours. Got some time and handling, okay. Is met, okay. This event is intended to signal, yes. And propagation terminated is in the audio callback of the STT. The event is observed by the TTS service, which attempts to cancel tasks. But is this cursor? No, this is just Visual Studio Code. I'm running a local LLM for this code stuff. I do have cursor installed. I haven't gone there yet. What extension is the continue? It's the continue extension within a local LLM. I have Tabby API running an XLAMA2 model. Yeah, bye. Bye. Have a good one. Rest well. Potential issues. Listens to terminated control going to this task. It's not immediate. Yeah, that's kind of the problem, I guess. Yeah, propagation terminated control is set on the audio callback of that's the component. The 7 is observed by. Yeah, I guess this was to be expected. When it be immediately cancelled, the cancellation will be processed only when the task reaches a point where it can yield content. More frequently or task life cycle. I don't do about these plans? DBFS? Okay. Stimulate more frequently, but I'm pretty sure we do that already. That's not the problem. This set. No. Wow. Wow. Okay, let me try something. I'm kind of curious. We're gonna keep shutting down and turning back on that stuff. It's not optimal, but we need dual GPUs. And we really wanted to do stuff. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Plan. The bliss plan shall work. Maybe. It could work. It could.
Dear interlocutor,
Stop.
to my rightful guest you propel. The mention of your handle is hereby dispelled.
Okay. Okay, well, that's a very helpful lesson now, huh?
Dearest
You fool.
interlocutor.
Okay, Yeah, I kind of forgot that may have been kind of an issue. What if I... Why did I have the not active TDS? Is my question. Get no weight? I don't think we touched the item. I do wonder how we're gonna do this. I think I just need to ask like a Gemini. Basically a higher model. What are you talking
Dear
about?
friends of fortune. LMFA. Oh, the enigmatic dance of
Stop
life.
that, you fool.
My dear. LMF.
Okay.
AO, you dare to challenge my brilliance. A duel of wits.
Okay, it's a bit limited. All this is very limited.
My dear little puppy. My dear interlocutor.
I'm very much in the... Okay, shoot. Okay, John, you shut up already.
The moment has been beautifully captured.
Okay, I don't think it's working exactly according to plan. I can't remember why not active tedious test was even done. I guess I don't remember anymore. I'm gonna ask like Gemini some shit. What's going on with here? Okay. Bonk. We have so many of these. I don't like this. No one bit. Oh, okay. Delete. Oh, I remember this guy. I remember this guy very well. I don't like him. I didn't like him. And this guy as well. Delete. I don't know what I was asking here. I have no idea what this is about anymore. I'm gonna make a new one. I'm gonna then I'm gonna feed it some data. Whoops. Okay, I'll give you some on files. I'll get you to read them carefully. The words I'll ask for some assistance. Okay. Is that getting that guy actually? The guy. Oh, wait, that is it guy. Oink. Okay. Source. The source. Man. Maybe. Wait. I gotta check this. Okay. No, we gotta get the actual data for this. Okay. Do you work at all?
John Smith.
Okay, what if you try to stop you
thespian
right in your
extraordinary.
tracks, you fool? That was kinda odd, but good job, I guess.
LMFAO. The subtle touch
Okay,
of sarcasm
can
you
we
use
stop
there.
you? Right there.
The melodrama. How the fickle nature of humor doth confound us.
Okay, you are good
And
and good,
yet,
but you gotta
out
stop
of the share.
right over there.
The art of dialogue.
Art of dialogue is
My friend.
already going, my buddy.
Okay. But then again,
Are you sure
who
about
would
that,
want to live in
really?
that sad, barren world where beauty is forsaken and laughter dies?
I guess. I see you have some curious problems.
LMFAO, intrigue
Oh,
and
can you stop
relation.
already? Huh? Well, what are you?
LMFAO, assistant. Oh dear, seems your humor lies in repetition.
My humor,
Impatience.
your humor lies in ass.
LMFAO assessing your humor's fate is like attempting to dance.
No, don't do that.
LMFAO your wish. A command is like mine.
Okay, my command is your
yours,
command,
perhaps.
and you should listen to my command.
LMFAO. You poor fool.
Me,
Truly the
poor
art
fool.
of
You're a poor,
dialogue is
poor
already
fool.
long gone if that's the level you've sunk into.
Okay. I think I have an idea of what the problem is.
LMFAO minus, huh?
Or
Gotcha.
rather, not like a problem.
Understand. The world was never intended for the weak minus minded.
Yeah. Okay, I think I have a really good idea what's going on.
This idea. LMFAO and this idea is
No,
so
it's my
good that it is
perfect
beyond your
idea.
comprehension. You say? LMFAO a perfect idea. Then let us raise an elegant salute. For in the vast grandeur of this divine theater of life, your perfect idea shall take its final. Lustrous bow. A dramatic and
Oh, you can
exquisite
stop now,
spectacle
you fool.
unfolds indeed. LMFAO indeed.
Yep. Okay. I do understand what the problem is now. Okay, so I'm the one who's ribbon balls, not the system. So right, I kind of forgot the whole fact that it likes to so I forgot the fact that it is dependent on the size of the chunk we're dealing with. Basically, if the chunk it's dealing with is a long ass sentence, yeah, or sub-sentence, I don't know. I don't know my terminology for what is it? For language. There's like language things that mean like proverbs, sentence stuff. Anyways, point is, it can be a really long sentence piece. So even if I start speaking over it and it sets the flag, the sentence itself doesn't, the actual termination doesn't occur until the audio chunk finishes streaming itself. So once that sentence is streamed, it doesn't stop. It doesn't stop until it has finished the streaming. So there's really not a way to stop it, really. I don't think there's a way, at least. Alright, the closest way to stop would be it would be the closest way to stop it, I guess, would be to have the TTS stream the data, small chunks, they can then easily, when we get the termination call, it basically says, it basically streams only a small, like, word basically. It's streaming basically words. So it keeps streaming words, word by word. Okay. I think this is TTS limitation as opposed to our streaming limitation. Or your streaming limitation. I mean, we could probably build something into there, but I don't think I want to. I don't think I want to exactly build something over there. We can limit, I don't want to build something on the beta, we can limit the chunk sizes then. Or split it into words. But I think we can do that with TTS. Or having the TTS do some stuff. But I don't know if letting the TTS process words is the smartest idea. So we don't actually have a problem here. It's more of a wasn't a problem, not a problem. There's not really a problem. TTS. Okay, I'm gonna put either TTS to send small chunks, small individual words. Play or audio streaming needs to play small chunks. Wait, I think there was an inherent latency to that. Trying to play small chunks? No, but I think it would be the same. About the same. Maybe if we can... might just need to focus on making a direct open stream that can always be fed data into. That audio data 2 and cancel anytime. Oh, that's gonna be tough. I don't know because there's the problem. The biggest problem is how it's going to sound, right? Because if it does it the wrong way, it's gonna implode. Okay, I'm gonna throw the anesthesia away. I'm gonna give. I think I have to give it the. Okay, let me. I didn't think about this, but there are plans here. I don't know which is the best plan, but one of them will do. I need to go with TTS Wizard. It has access details, yeah. Okay. Okay, the audio data received will be sentences in the individual sentences, like the or a wonderful day. Okay. It will be these kind of sentences. It can be some kind of sentence. The inherent limitations, the inherent limitation here is that the audio streaming will not terminate, stop until the full audio chunk has been played. Has been played until it has been played. Is there any way where at a library by audio or with Pi audio to basically create an open stream that will but I think it is stream that can be terminated at any time at any given time. That's wait. Open tree and open. Be continuously. Holy fuck! How do you write that? Continuously. Fed audio data. And have it forcefully. Or stop. Or upon terminate. Stop. To be clear, currently, if a sentence is playing and the terminate flag event. Fuck. Set. If a sentence is playing and the audio playing and terminate event is set. It waits. The program waits until the audio been played. The full audio has been played And then, and only then, it's a bit of a limitation. There is a problem, a slight problem of if I do speak over it, it might not care. Terminates, yeah. Terminations are a bit limited. Oh, audio system is very limited. I didn't ask for an implementation, I just asked for an ideas. Your issue as you've identified for a second part is some right is likely sending the entire sentence to data to AudioP2. But already buffered data autumn plays out. Yeah, that's pretty much the issue. What's the yeah, I kinda had the same idea. Yeah, I kinda had the... I kinda felt that might do that. But I can't tell if playing how we can even shop it up. Okay, it's paused. Okay, that's well, method. Wait, what? Oh, is this within the other place? Yeah, Pi audio playback. This is hard to read. Can you? This is hard to read. This is hard to read. Can you only provide modified slash and added code snippets instead of full code? Yeah, I don't want the other stuff. I don't want this stuff. Okay, well, now it's just... holy fuck. What did you do? It's trying to only write... It's sort of writing a shitload of code. Okay, you got way too fucking excited. Barely even starting. Okay, this is how to... That is to say, only provide the changed, the modified slash added functions slash don't write out the unchanged code. Yeah, it has a bit of a brain problem. It's impressive how even the top models have so many issues. Why are you writing so much code? Holy shit. Oh my god, this guy. Example, opens, you cannot fucking changing. Okay. Example, you won't be changing. Okay. Why the crap is that? Where's TTS service? No, not TTS service. Where's TTS? Power audio record playback. For example, you wouldn't be changing the init. You change the init. For example, you probably change the init. Example, you probably making any modifications to apply audio playback init. Therefore, don't write it out. Don't write it out. You don't need to see that, since it wasn't changed. Also, I don't think you're changing the. Not changing. You're also not changing. You're also more than likely not changing the close stream method. So why write it out? Write it out. Write it out. Etc. and so on. Okay, it gets really annoying because it's just sometimes these LLM models, they are so absolutely beautifully genius. Other times they're just completely brain dead. How the fuck would you change the name? I got frames but buffer. I don't. Okay, open stream. Logging for frames buffer. When is active? Okay. Interruptibly? What? Why? Not self-stream, but oh, disgusting. Stop it. But it does give me an idea. Okay. So it's really balls, but that's the least of our issues. Good loop. Right chunk. What is this doing? Who's calling you? Who calls to play buffer audio? Actually, why am I even being so stupid? There's only one guy who ever did justice. Right? 10 web bytes. So, why exactly are they doing this? Of a chunk count. Oh my god. Okay, so that would be a problem with how this is playing the buffered audio. Oh. I would need to slice it. I'm kinda curious. It is a plan of mine to be to ask quite a question. Quite the question. Okay. Stream service. Sure. Oh. Edit. Oh, I always like this. I don't like this service. Can you modify the audio play audio buffer audio buffer bugger playback to instead play smaller audio chunks at once, giving the terminate event a chance to be checked more often. Okay, let's try this. I don't have high hopes. That's low. Oh, is it inserting at the line that I am? Okay. It didn't work. Where's it still going is my question. And the US was stop. Apparently termination doesn't mean shit. That's good. Domination isn't real. Yeah, it was supposed to be cancelled. You didn't cancel shit. Oh my god. Yeah, what if I do this? No, stop. This. If I believe back to instead play smaller. Okay, let's see if this does anything. We'll wait for it. Oh, a good plan that was. Room is open now. So to know there's a lot of problems. Oh, it just brings me back. Huh. Magazine is technically faster than me writing it, but it's gonna only end well. Don't worry, this gonna only. This is terrible. I need to get rid of these functions. This is stupid as shit. Since this is service anyways, it doesn't have a... There's no calling these, I think. Unless you're high on some kind of stuff. No, but it's still writing? Holy crap. 85. Okay, it's time to check its actual work. Okay. Oh, it's probably above 8,000 tokens. I don't really care. Okay. So, where's the problem? Can I accept the changes or not? What's the deal? Okay, I am supremely confused by what any of this means then. Okay, so what does this mean for me? I can't tell. It doesn't. Shut up. The fucking shut this shit up. Yeah, I don't think these systems are built very robustly. Is this better? Is this worse? I can't tell. The generation explodes. Alright, stop trying to... Holy crap. Okay. Actually, I didn't change anything, so it wouldn't even matter. Okay. I can't tell if this is, if anything's different. I'm gonna be careful. There's one change and everyone's gonna implode. What do you mean you're in the black? Oh. Do you ever not work? Do you ever work? There you go. There you are, mate. What's the stream service raw file? I don't think there's anything different in this one though. Cool, that's cool. What the Oh, I'm gonna take from here. What the? Why is there so much empty space? Oh. Run, worker. This is the control methods, yes. Why? My god knows why. I'm gonna give this as... Oh, modify the playback buffer system do write exam code to feed smaller audio chunks to the stream. Playback the playback right chunk method back enabling smaller, no, bigger, smaller, something, enabling more frequent checks for the terminate event. Okay, let's try this again. Beep, boop, pop, pop, boop, pop, 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 pop. Okay, it's rewriting those as is. Okay, well, you... Okay, wow. That was red. Boop, boop, beep, boop, bop, beep, boop, bop. I wonder how well this works. I want to 77, 173. I don't know how many lines that is. Finished? Okay, not yet. I want to watch this. Ew. Okay, huh. I mean, what worst case scenario, we'll just give it to, I think, Cloud. No, better ways. Okay, there's some changes. I don't know what they are. So I deleted the play buffered audio. Okay, I made a play chunk instead. Okay, return, otherwise it makes a try function. Ensure stream is open. Oh yeah. Resume stream, it got rid of all of that code. Okay. Right chunk, okay, playing chunk, okay, I don't have a problem with that particularly. The logic is sound-ish. Audio output Q, yeah, you get that from there, you get the audio output, okay, you get the audio from the queue. I have my own way to deal with this. Okay. IO wait, play chunk, web bytes, audio task done, exception is E. This seems solid actually. I mean, besides the few screw-ups, but hey, you could have done worse. Could have done worse. Could have. I don't even know what the crap you're talking about. Oh, right. Sure. If that's the okay. Audio ASIC define run worker. I don't see the problem. Okay. Okay, that's whatever. This may or may not work. Audio queue, audio item. Sure. See, I still do have a limit. I believe in the limitations of this system. But I just want to see if it works at all. Oh, for fuck's sake, that's the wrong guy. What do you mean you lost? Holy crap. What do you... Wait a minute, how's that even possible? I gotta be kidding. Kidding me, right? So somehow the Unix completely forgot about the command I ran. Command I ran for the TTS. Okay, cool. I didn't know that was possible, but it is. And run. I want to see what the chance of this actually working now. Ooh, the plans are easy. Because the local LLM stuff isn't as bad as I would think. Surprisingly, actually good. I don't think it's the best, but you know, for what it's worth, it's pretty damn solid. I would say, could we say in 1 to 2 years, there might just be an LLM. Wait. What the fuck? Shit. No. Okay, what the shit was that about? Shit. Dead. Oh. I think it might be dead. Oh my god, what the fuck, bro? Okay, I don't know how, why? Oh. Okay, everything's so goddamn explodey. Okay, I'll be just cut off for a while because my goddamn system try to free up the memory from the Qwen memory. Yeah, might not be the smartest idea. It might not be the smartest idea. Might not be the smartest idea ever to try. It's not smart to try and run both of these at the same time. I kind of forgot that I accidentally turned off the TTS instead of the Qwen. So, you know, my fault, my bad, my oopsie. It's a pretty dangerous oopsie when all things considered. Oh, what's a good word, John?
Precisely.
I have no clue what that
My
is.
interlocutor.
Is John actually working?
John Smith, LMFAO. Thou art tasking for the gem
Okay,
of the
you can
linguistic
sure
kingdom
stop.
amidst this uproar of laughter. Tele-
Okay, there is. I mean, technically, it works. Never really like the. I guess. Maybe. I'm gonna make my own for now. Does it need to be an async? I can't remember. I don't need that. I'll shake it like this. Probably. Track. Terminate. And pop. Especially this. Uh-oh. Oh man. If self did event, okay. Do you not take self and then you need anything else audio Q audio Q. Oh man. Brrr. Yes, I guess. While bytes track terminate. What? What's your problem, buddy? Terminate event. Yeah. Let's do that. Why are you complaining? Ugh, this is... What are you even complaining about? It's not defined. Of course it's defined. It's right there. Yeah, kind of there. Seems to be there. Are you... Oh, right. It has... It's a bit annoying about its existence. Audio cue. Yeah. Let's do that. Eh? Do I wait that? Are we awaiting? Are we ever awaiting stuff? Look at that. Yuck. Where the heck? Oh wait. Ah. Shit. I forgot. That's because I'm very exceptionally good at being a dumbass. That's what I get. I don't get paid. That's another word to use. Clear. I guess we can comment that out. I just wonder. It's open. You can terminate. You use the first 148 bytes I don't know if this is too much or too little. I think this should work, unless, wait. Unless, wait, that bytes equal. Wait, no. I forget. I was supposed to clear these. I don't think that I don't think this works. I have a sneaking suspicion this is how. I have a sneaking suspicion. This suspicion. Holy fuck again, right? Suspicion. Oh, that's how you write suspicion. That this won't. Create elements and then the keep green. Like, I don't. I'm having the sneaking suspicion. Yeah, I'm kind of having that issue. Audio sound equals. Okay, it would technically be the web bytes. Chunk. Audio chunk. Yeah, this would empty it. It's stupid, but I don't like it. But this is just for testing. What do you mean there's a problem? There can't be problems. No problems found, no results found? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What? Was it closed? Eh? Eh? Huh? Huh? Oh. Jeez. I'm running at like 1% of power, huh? 1%. Oh, John, hello, how are you? Well, actually, he hasn't even started yet. It's still loaded to other stuff. And then it's loaded. I don't know what that means. Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh wait, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm stupider than I thought. Yeah, I'm stupid. I was stupid. Whoopsie. Whoopsies me. I was stupid. Womp womp.
Oh, My dear interlocutor.
So, how fast can you stop?
MFAOW.
I don't think that's enough. Okay. What's the... Oh my fucking god, I hate Bing. Oh, come on, at least. Hit my ass, Bing. Let's John, shut up. I don't know why Bing is made like ass. Why can't it just have a functioning? Yeah. Why can't you just have a functioning ass? Functioning. A functional, fuck. Okay, let me think. A calculator. Why can't I just have a calculator? Why does it always decide that a calculator is not required? Who the fuck calls it? Okay, my god. Wait, what the hell am I reading? As an ensure stream is open, you absolute dingus. There's nobody who does anything intelligent. Oh, okay. I mean, I guess we kind of want to wait that. I don't know. So how fast the Jones is at termination?
Oh, the dramatics. My dear friends. You see, it's like a Shakespearean...
It's like what, huh? Okay, that was a bit odd.
My dear interlocutor, shall we dive into the depths of the bazaar?
Sure, we can dive into whatever depths you want to hear about.
My dear friend, you find yourself...
Indeed. Okay, that's fast. That is fast. I don't know what is spamming me though. It spams me with a lot of dialogue generation bullshit. Set. Or do you not set your goddamn service? I haven't called by anybody. Why is everything you do so stupid? Uncommon for you. Okay, I hate those things. I've nothing but hatred. Nothing but hatred. Pure hatred. But nobody says that. Who the hell says that? No wait, wait, nobody. Wait, where? Who's saying this? Who heads? Who sets this? Well, not set. Okay. It's none. Set. It's like cancelled. Set. If. Okay. Never mind. I guess it's a reasonable shit here going on. Self dot service stop event dot set. Okay. I mean, this whole thing is set, so fuck that. What have you used? Nah, I guess I can set it immediately. Saves us a lot of headache. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Bing bong, John, welcome to the new world. Okay, what happened? Oh shit, I'm a dumbass. That's what happened. Oh yeah, no wonder it doesn't work if the goddamn thing is set every time. It was auto setting it. Oopsie. Bit of an oopsie. Oopsie, oopsie. An oopsie happened. That's all right, John.
A moment of blunder, pray tell me, has just been made into a memory. Life?
Sure you have been. I don't know why, but you have been. Made into a memory. John, what happened? Oh fuck, I'm stupid. Wait. Wait. Nobody clears this. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh bro. No. Oh shit. Wait, but you're supposed to clear it. What the? Wait, eh? Oh wait. Oh, what? No. Wait. Oh boy. Right. That's the wrong thing. We said the wrong thing. My only curiosity is why it's just spamming me with stuff. I don't like that as much. Audio stream? Yeah. You'll feed it or whatever. I didn't really. Huh? And then isn't like they've all paused and attempting to open audio streams opened. But why? Why is it attempting to open it? Oh, why? Oh, why? Playback resume detected. Wait, no. Let's pause. Terminate. Event detected. Stopped. It's not active. Yeah, who the hell is checking that shit? It's not the work. Because it could not be. Okay, what? It's not active. I'll assume audio play back. Okay. I gotta take a piss. I'll be back soon. I love you with the this. I'm gonna go hide. Yes, I'll be back. Alright, my genius is back. Well, Jonathan. Johnny Bone. Okay, I was thinking about something. Oh yeah. Where's that game? Everybody's shitting about. Oh wait, this is the guy. Wait, audio playback for current dialogue. Terminated. Audio playback. Terminated. Oh, this is good. Terminated. There's definitely spam of this. I don't know why. Eventually we'll figure out the specifics. I was thinking like the buffer system here that I have. Should this be... I don't want it. I thought about putting it in the playback system, but I don't see it. It doesn't make sense. It also is complicates stuff a lot. The stream is not active. Your stream is... Which stream is not. Okay, who the fuck calls you? Okay. That's not you. Right. Okay. I have an idea. We don't need the megans to return true, and otherwise return this. I have an idea. If then yep. Let me try this. As a plane, a crazy plane, I know, but what can you say? Except that it probably works. Everything probably works every time.
A splendid observation. My good friend has been noted. Yet it warrants but a mere aside.
Are you sure about that? Huh? You ain't sure.
LMFAO. My dear inquisitive spectator.
Oh, am I inquisitive indeed, huh?
LMFAO inquisitive indeed. Your intrigue is as bright as a twinkling star.
Thank you. Yeah, that's odd. Oh shit, no. Oh wait, because break out of this. Holy crap, I'm stupid. This is its own function. But the domains. La domains.
Amonani, the very word
Okay, that's something. Huh? Yeah, I got you.
done. Doth proclaim Eth, most regal of gentlemen and
Okay.
fine.
That's cool.
LMFAO, that's cool. Indeed. It does
Yeah,
seem
it
to
is indeed cool. Okay, anyways, as you can tell with it, it basically has an immediate breaking. It breaks basically immediately, so that's cool. And we're gonna have to make that into a buffer. A chunk audio chunk size. Yeah, chunk size something. Don't man. Okay. I have the audio wait, no, chunk size equals 12. Now we go here. So the chunk size. This will be unique to this. Right. So now we basically have the instantaneous changes or terminations. With the other crap in the way. They don't need to exist anymore. This fixes all of our problems. Tan-ta, tan-ta, tan-ta-ta-ta-ta. Yeah, cool. Fix that, so yeah. Oh, I don't know if it's really fixed it as much as we did it. I think that's slightly better. Just because as much as I like the idea of John speaking, even if I speak on top of him, it just feels more like it doesn't feel authentic, I guess, is the answer. Is the way I'm trying to describe it. Him speaking, continuing to speak, is not, authentic. If we really wanted to make a complicated system, it could. I don't like it, but if we wanted to make a truly complicated system, we could make it into one of those things where I think I'm too complicated though. Okay, so complicated system idea is that what if John has the ability to effectively decide whether to terminate the speaking or just raise its own volume or his own volume. Doesn't really matter. The point is, they could raise the volume and continue speaking, but I feel that might get I might get too complex. Maybe it's not so much complex as it might be computational costly. You could have John. Technically, it could work if John not only gets the current status of the termination, but his very first token, effectively, would always be the termination itself, or the call, basically the call of I want to terminate, or I'm not going to terminate. But it would inherently create a latency between the actual termination and the continue. So I don't think it's really implementable in reality. Oh, but there is a way. There is a way. Okay, let me actually write that down. I'm not gonna do it now or probably anytime soon. But has ability to whether wants to speech no matter what. Yes. Yeah. So if basically if John decides, so if I speak, I make my first question. Okay, like I say something to John. Oh, John, like hello. Then John in his output can decide already whether or not he wants to say his speech, finish his speech no matter what. Well, that could be probabilistic as well. Could be maybe it could be 50-50 instead. Right, what's the cutoff point? It's probably better to just be hello. Nah. No, actually, maybe. Yeah, I was thinking about making the 50-50 coin flip, but that would make it much more predictable, I guess. I don't know how much complexity this system would entail. Technically, just having the yes or no creates the ability to say do whatever. Passes. Okay, it would get quite complicated to send to manufacture an audio increasing system. Oh, okay. That is another. And that's something I'm looking to do very soon. I did do that. Wonder how complex this system can get. I was wondering about the service as I get the feeling these services are getting a bit too involved. Okay, there is as I think about it, it might be possible, or should be possible to even to just feed the terminate event directly to the speech text and so on. The speech text, TTS and LM. Those could, all three of those, they could handle that. it would require modifications as I think about it. The dialogue generator would have to then start yielding data. I don't know who should be in charge is the problem. On one hand, I feel like the services can be in charge just because why not? On the other hand, I feel like they shouldn't be simply because their main job should only really be really only the only job should really just be the whole calling the actual functions. Just do like a call to hey, do the playback or don't, and do the speech text or don't. The same for TTS. You know, generate data or don't. No, well, not or don't, but rather it just makes the calls. Do this, do this, do this. And then those services, those actual implementations themselves handle it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna ask Gemini. Or ration themselves will terminate current generation. Back, but I'm wondering if should be in charge or if we should this server should be in charge of this, or if each actual implementation, each services tool or actual charge of would receive the event decide service. Okay, I'm trying to figure out because there is a drawback to making those guys be in charge of it, which is that they will now be dependent on the termination flags events. So I don't know if I want my dialogue generator to be dependent on it at all. I could just check for it, I guess. They're being charged? Wait, what? They should be in charge? Yeah. Orchestration level. Okay. So user interrupted LLM generation is taking too long and error. Okay, I do this. Okay, new user input came. At the orchestration, okay. Should stop, okay, cool. Well, that simplifies things. Nyom. And safely, okay, robustness. Okay. Ah. That's a fair enough point that this is the orchestration level. The service level. Shh. The tools themselves shouldn't handle that. I mean, I have my disagreements with this idea, but this also makes sense. I guess I was thinking more about this the button. If the button is pressed, then the termination is a lot easier. Then again, I guess the generator, the dialog generator, for example, the LLM output generator, dialog generator, should not itself depend on, should not handle or depend on the actual termination flag. Instead, that's something else's job, and maybe someone doesn't even want that. So it would be easy to just let it be handled elsewhere. Okay, a plan. Gonna perfect the. Oh yeah. Alright. I actually have an idea for that. Actually, I don't have idea per se, but I have the general clue for it. Okay. There's so much stuff to just build constantly. Audio streaming. Stop faster. So fast. A porn. Okay. Not very good. What else could we do? Oh yeah, I guess I'll let's do that. How shall I do this? A dialogue service. And not only should it be a tool, but free to make it into something. Okay, model utils. Sure. Okay. We don't have anything running. Nope. We can go back to testing our little Qwen. Okay, create a text, an extractor. Create, okay. A copy. This should be clear user. Okay. Create a name message extractor. Extractor function. For example, given the string, it should extract, it should return I don't know, I like Michael? I don't know. And hello. And hello. I should return those two. Oh, or that's it. Actually, I gotta. Yeah, it's fun. I think. Okay, do you want to? No, I guess we'll just make it. Create the function, for example, given the string, it should return. Let's see what it comes up with. I don't know how good. Oh man, that's advanced. I don't know what this is supposed to be, but sure. I got it, but I'm gonna say yes. Extract name message. Sure. Nah. Match name message. Excuse me? Okay. I don't I guess. Can we run this directly within our system? Oh, it does work, huh? By way. But how? But why and how? I guess splitting... I guess this mess here is this research, the regular expression search is figuring out where the text is. Let me ask Gemini a question. Is this faster? Yeah. What happens in this case? Oh, this works. Okay. But I do have a plan. Is that? Holy crap, something happened. Well, that's cool. Okay, beginning check string end and the first, then our space. First open this. I'm kind of input. What if someone did? Yeah, what do you think about that? Oh. Okay, that is robust. Likely to be fast. Generic. Nope. Is it found? No. It's slightly fast at the pure string manipulation. Highly consistent. And considering all things considered, first. But is it worth it at all? Because it does add extra latency. No matter what. Does that work? I don't know. How am I supposed to understand this? Yes. Okay, real number is 10 seconds. Wait, no, 1 second. Millisecond, 10 milliseconds. Okay. It is incredibly fast. It's basically negligible speed. The speed is basically negligible. And somebody could technically break it with this. The string thing, someone could break it by having that, then this. But what if? Oh, but what if? Hmm. Hmm. Oh. Yeah. Well, the print is so expensive. I'm gonna get rid of print segments. Well, anyways. It's robust enough. That's how we can just indeed use that. You can get the. Oh wait, you're the wrong guy. Extract name message. Okay. Hmm. Think party? Be extracting string string. We just add a system instruction only name and I meant that the alarm is supposed to take in a string. A string, a message. A string, a message. Don't do it. Either way. The question: would the extra tokens spent on the rule extract only to extract / respond to the name and the message contained cost more than what? No, actually, let me do it like this. Simple regex, and then go by depth. I will. Nhong. Oh, come the fuck on. Gemini just decided it can't help me with this. I just stop that. You need to learn to not be so dickish. Nhong. Of course. Nhong. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much it's better to do the extraction ourselves. Sweet! Okay, well... Yep. Yep. Actually, where is the model utils? Oh. Ugh. Whatever. But we have this, we have that, we have everything we need. For that. That's now working as intended. These buttons are technically a bit too early. Oh no! I think the mute button. Uh-oh. I'm pretty sure I know where that just went. Oh, whoops. Table? What the fuck is a table? Oh. No. No. Oh. Oh wait, what? Yeah. Oh, why do I keep doing this? I could just... whatever. I could put those in there, because those are not important tasks yet. There, oof. Where should we finish that part? Oh. Do. No, util. Message. Message. A push. Okay, push all the changes now. Yes. I guess it'll have to run anyways. So, what else to run? Part. You. Oh, ha ha. We still have that running, I think. Okay, what if let's add add okay, excuse me, wait, do we even need that? What if I give it? Actually, okay. Band? Can we just make a secondary process? So we might not need this. I'm not gonna exit because mayhaps. So script. No. I'm gonna test it. I wanna keep testing this, and I'm also losing. Add another sub process that will run following command. Where is it? I don't remember where it is. Isn't it? Whoops. 124. It's yeah. And it needs to run it. And this is, and needs to run sub. Wait, wait. A question. A question. It might be. That is fucking bizarre. I don't know believe it, but as I can go. It is not like remembering anything. It is wizard slash. Man. Whoops. Listener. I just It also it needs to run the direct subdirectory. Slash fuck. Brr, if it needs to run in the subdirectory, then it's annoying. Okay. Good luck. Beep bop beep bop beep bop boop beep boop boop bop bop boop boop bop. Man, it's hot again. It's 28 Celsius. I basically have a toaster running. The GPU running all this stuff. It's a toaster in of itself, baby. Let's accept all. I want to see what's going on. The sea. Let us see. Okay. Was it better? Event TTS. Yeah, well, that's exact. That's a relative term. Shit. Meow. Yes, script. Okay, just try. Okay. Ah, TDS. Okay. Okay. Wait. Alright. Right, the only problem that will emerge from this is the venv itself. Because. How do I get it there? Path join. Fuck. Maybe the venv shouldn't be outside. Or I should be inside. Oh, I might as well test something. Oh. I made a continuous lapse in judgment. Oh, somebody didn't think about the fact that this file is a fucking mess. Oh damn, it's gonna take forever to move the files. Wow. Womp womp. I should have thought about that. What if? What if? At least wrong in these ways. Mistakes were made. Anyways, well, that's thinking about that. I don't think about my next move. Это контржешенка на Стефан. I guess I have to figure out what to do with those. What to do next. There's a lot to do, but I have to figure out what needs to take priority. I could make a I guess, one thing I want to make the web UI. The gradual web UI for the whole control panel. I don't know if I want a whole React application for that. Well, it would probably be more Slack, but no. I mean, it could be a Flask application too, I guess. But it's not gonna be as nice, I think. Well, stylistically, probably nicer, but not rushed. Live chat needs an update. Yum, yum. What are you talking about? What, but I thought I only brought over. Huh? I thought I only brought over the MTTS, so why is it telling me about copied files? Ugh. That's not a good sign. If it doesn't work, which is hardly the biggest problem. Oh yeah, alright, wait, what? Did you script? Okay. Brr. I don't know what the June is, it's just doing magic shit. And it's supposed to be there. This is a config. What the what's the config? Yeah, config. Where's the config? Oh, that would be. Huh? How can you write within your possibilities? Okay, whoa. What do you mean you can't run it? Wait, what? What's the problem? What's the problem with the beam? There's a Python. Well, I don't know what's complaining about. Yeah. What is unreachable? Why would it be unreachable? Can't be, right? Where's the shooter? That's it. Oh. But it is reachable. Hmm. I don't get it. Hmm. Hmm. Shut the fuck up. Reconnection successful. Oh, sweet. We're back. Okay. And I died. I died. Almost obvious dead. I think that's a sign that we're dead here. Oh, today. I'll try to figure out what we're doing next. Because there's a lot to do, but not enough direction within my head to tell what's my next job. So I have to figure that out. So for now, bye bye. A good one. I'll figure it out. There's many things to work on. So many things. Yeah, bye bye.